Hey guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a 2021 BOBCAT S740 rubber tired skid steer loader. This unit has 380 original hours on it. This was part of a BOBCAT lease program. I was lucky enough to buy 4 of these. This is the first one that we have done. All of these are going to be under 400 hours. The cab, heat, air, 2-speed, standard controls, keyless dash, cloth air ride seats, BOBCAT heavy duty 12/16/5 tires on them. They have automatic ride control. They will come with OEM BOBCAT 74-inch buckets with bolt-on cutting edges that are like new. Very, very nice machines, very well taken care of. Again, low-hour machines. This machine will have factory warranty, emissions warranty until 6/7 of 2026, and that is transferable to the new owner. What is nice about a 740 machine? So it's a 3,100 pound lift rubber tired skid steer loader, but it is a 74 horsepower no DEF fluid machine. So if you are a guy that does not want to battle DEF fluid and have to fool with that, worried about it going stale, and having, ECU or dosing codes of all kinds, which it is an issue with some of that stuff, here is a machine that has none of that. Matter of fact, BOBCAT is basically achieving emissions with their machine. This is going to be a D24 engine with just a scrubber muffler, which is great. We've had extremely good success with this D24 engine. Again, 380 hours. Again, we're cab, heat, air, standard controls, power quick attach, AM FM radio, keyless dash, automatic ride control. These are a very nice loaded machine that are ready to work. We're going to start right back here in the engine compartment. Back door is extremely straight. It is all original paint. We did not paint the back door or the rims. We did paint the bottom gray. They were a little scuffed up on the bottom gray. Cab, everything there is original. Again, this is going to be powered by a BOBCAT, and these are a D24, D2.4 they call them, or D24 engine. They are a 4-cylinder, 74 horsepower turbo diesel engine. Starts and runs excellent. There is no abnormal noise, smoke, blow-by, anything of that nature. Again, we've done a complete and full service. MSC stands for Mark Supply Company, and we did go ahead, changed all the filters with OEM factory Kubota, or BOBCAT filters, I should say. That is done, taken care of, so that would consist of fuel, engine oil, hydraulic, charge fan filter, air filters, cabin filters have all been changed. Again, very clean, very straight. 2-speed travel. BOBCAT 12/16/5, 12-ply tires. They're the heavy-duty 12/16/5s. They're approximately 55 to 60%, all 4 matched. Coming up front, this does have 74-inch BOBCAT OEM bucket, bolt-on cutting edge. You can see how nice it is. Very clean, very straight bucket. Up front, power quick attach, 2-pin standard skid loader power quick attach. You're going to have your auxiliary hydraulics up here with case drain coupler and 7-pin attachment control device. Automatic ride control. Cab door is complete. Wiper, washer, everything is there and complete, ready to go. Cloth air ride seat. Again, this machine is a 2021 with 380 hours, 381. We've been using it today to do a bunch of pictures and videos. No active warnings. Here is all of your settings as far as parameters. 381 hours. Full service clock, no codes. You got your auto level here. I'm going to go ahead and show you this is a 2-speed machine. Your rabbit's going to come on there. You have your auto level feature down here. You can turn that on and off. You got your AM FM radio, keyless, power quick attach, throttle. Down here's your cab heat air controls. Up top, dome light. All your diffusers are in the roof, 3,100 pound lift. Guys, I'm going to turn the camera back over to Braden here. I'm going to fire this machine up. We're going to run it around. I'm going to show you it does everything it's supposed to do. Here we go. So, this machine, again, would be the same as an S770, except for an S770 is 92 horse. These, again, are 74 horsepower. Same machine. It's just one has DEF, one does not have DEF. DEF is an issue especially if you're somebody who is not using this machine every day, day in, day out. If you're out grading dirt, you're doing things every day, or you're using and consuming that product in the machine, it's great, it's fine for you. There again, if you're not 2-speed, it can be an issue. I have had issues with some of my own stuff where I don't use it. It's a seasonal piece, and farm tractor for one of those things. It's reused 3 months out of the year. We've had issues. There again, something that you have to contend with. This is a machine that does not have to do that, and I really like that. I will give up a little bit of horsepower any day of the week to not have that issue. There again, 381 hours, very tight machine. Obviously it should be. Cab, heat, air, keyless, power quick attach, AM FM radio, full blast in the cab, everything is intact. 2-speed travel, 0 to 2-speed. These are a vertical lift path machine. Believe it or not, it's the same boom structure, chassis structure basically as a BOBCAT T740. Same cab structure. Automatic ride control, very nice feature. You can kind of see here, you have a nice lift height. Standard 2-pin skid loader quick attach. And again, this still has emissions warranty until 6/7 of 2026. What I like about this size of machine, you've got the lift capacity. A lot of guys will buy like an S650. Here again, trying to stay away from def fluid. S650 is a 74 horse unit, but you don't have the lift capacity. Where this is a big chassis machine, you've got really good lift capacity. And you want a machine that you can run a lot of different stuff with this machine. Brush cutters, augers, rock hounds. You have that capability, okay? There again, it all depends on what a guy wants, but if you are looking for a heavier lift machine, this is something to consider. I think we're going to find this winter. Harder and harder every day here to find some good used tire machines. I do feel that. Probably have a heck of a winter this winter. We're due for it. So there again, going to go hard. I have a hunch to find good quality used tire and skid steers. That's my opinion. There again, it has the auto level feature. I can turn that on. It's going to auto level that bucket. I'm going to go ahead and take the bucket back down. Okay. It's also got that automatic ride control, which you just seen the bucket drop. Turn that back on. And basically it's going to allow that bucket to shock going down the road so that you're not carrying that heavy load and it's shocking through the whole machine. Okay. Well, guys, that's about it. If you are looking for an extremely clean 381-hour machine, not a 2,000-hour machine. I have these machines priced at a price point that is extremely well compared to a lot of guys in the market with the same machine with 1,400 or 1,500 hours. So if you got any questions, 814-658-3066. It is serviced, 100% ready to go to work. Very good machine. And like I said, I'll have 3 more of these coming up. They're going to be next week till we get time to get through those. This is the first one we got done. Very clean, 381 hours. Loaded cab, heat, air, 2-speed, standard controls, power quick attach, keyless, air ride, cloth seat. That would be a heated seat also. Any questions, 814-658-3066. Please check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. If you need financing, we can get you business financing. Personal side, we don't have much to offer you. Let us know. We'll put you in touch with some people on that. If you need trucking, let us know there. We'll be glad to get you a shipping quote. Again, I'm Nick Miller, 814-658-3066. As always, thanks for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.